Daily routine sentence for kids. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I am folding my cloth. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I get dressed. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I study and learn new things. I eat lunch at school. I come back home. I wash my hands. I eat a snack. I drink a glass of water. I do my homework. I play with my friends. I eat dinner with my family. I brush my teeth again. I wear my night clothes. I listen to a story. I say good night. I go to sleep. Simple school sentences for kids. I go to school every day. My teacher is very kind. I sit in the classroom. I read books at school. I write in my notebook. I play with my friends. I learn new things. I eat lunch at school. I raise my hand to speak. I listen to my teacher. I draw pictures in class. I pack my school bag. I love my school. I follow school rules. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with friends.